Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix call cannot be heard in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, you can give the access of your callers with microphone. For giving the access, to open settings and now scroll down and click on privacy and security. And then again scroll down and here you can see the option microphone. Now click on microphone and here you can see all the apps you can give access, and after seeing access, clean your microphone with soft cloth or tissue. And after cleaning the microphone with soft cloth or tissue, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone. It can fix your minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix call cannot be heard in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.